As you can hear, there's hardly any reds at all on that tractor and no noise.
Welcome back to the Design, Creativity and Technology channel. My name's Aaron. In today's video, I'll be taking you along to the South Western District Restoration Group to their Vintage Machinery Rally located in Cobden, which is approximately 200 kilometres west of Melbourne. If you'd like to find vintage rallies in your state, I suggest you check out the Old Machinery magazine and their website. Let's go.
An American W4 International tractor, and it's driven by Russell Beadle from Ararat Way. And Russell turns up to a lot of tractor pools, and he actually done one at Ararat as well. And he's off the mark, as you can see. He's given it all he's got straight away. We'll hope that Russell gets up this end. Yep. There's no good starting off without plenty of power on that cross. He may have his tyres a little bit tight today. They're not threatening now. Starting to pull heavy now. You can hear the governors cutting in and out. He's got the wheel weights on it, so he'll probably get up here somewhere. And our flag man happens to be David Bartlett from Morford. You're going pretty well there, Russell. Pull for Russell. In comes the police to rescue him. This particular tractor here has a John Deere. It's a twin-cylinder one, and this is about a 1960 tractor, and they've only got about 850 revs that tractor's doing, and he's certainly toughened out a bit of smoke already, so he's having a bit of fun with pulling this lead because they've got the two weights put together, and they've taken the weight off the container wheels like all of them. As you can hear, there's hardly any revs at all on that tractor and no noise. They put extremely well maintained, and when it was working like this all the day, and only leave it out, It was originally an uphill tractor, and it's got the 4-cylinder motor in it, and they are very, very good pullers. And I think, if I remember rightly, it's somewhere around about a 1962-63 tractor, and it pulls extremely well. And Jared keeps it up to it the whole time while he's working it. They were a very popular tractor for the ploughing and breaking down ground in their days on the smaller tractors, smaller properties, I better put it. Well done, Jared. Thanks for that. Regulations here for the tractor pulling stipulations and drawdown and all the rest of it too. The one which Jared's on. The pistons go the same way as the ground goes. They no good as an effort. I don't know the owners of these particular machines. As you can see, it's just taking its nice and steady. Certainly got big wheels on it, folks. You've got a full pull. How about that, folks? Coming up and out along the track, it's not ripping at all, is it? You just tighten it up, that'll be more than 100 revs now. Just make a difference down to the other one. And he's got that throttle wide open. and it's pulling heavy to start with, folks. Now those particular tractors, when they get a bit worn, they'll jump out of first gear, so that's why you put your foot up against the gear lever while you're pulling on heavy pulls like this, but otherwise they'll come out and smash your knee to pieces. As you can see, that tractor's pulling heavy. They're making use of every bit of that 37 horsepower coming out of the P6. You can hear he's been a bulldozer driver in his day. Everything's got to be flat out to start with. And it's pulling well too. Now you're going to get into a bit of trouble there, Bob. That's the way you make them work. A 12-10 daily round this is. He's got to start it off a bit higher here, folks. He's going to get somewhere with it. It's still hanging on, and that's the main thing. He's running out of steam, Bob. They were fairly economical to run these V6 Fords, and a little bit hard to start on a cold day, but when you got them going, this particular tractor's only got 3 speeds forward and 1 reverse, and the clutch is on the opposite side to a normal clutch where it's on the side where the brakes are on normal machines. Yes, it's definitely a P6 folks, and he's going all right. He's got a full pull just like that.
Stain turbo generator on.
Oh yeah,
Feed water's water that, like I've got a drum over there, so that contains feed water, rainwater, but still that's it. So rainwater just got